All right, so today we're going to talk about saving and uploading your song to Canvas. So here's what you need to know in order to do that on your MacBook Pro. First of all, saving is very simple. It's much like a Word document or anything else. You're going to go in here and click Save once you've got your song the way you want it. You can give it a name. It's going to save it in a Garageband folder. And that's perfect for right now. So let's just call this, okay, that's not what I wanted to do. New song. I'll click save. All right, so now you can see here it's saved the way I want it. And now I'm going to share it. So the first thing I'm going to do is share it to my iTunes. I'm going to turn it into an MP3. So there's all the information. I can give it any more information I want, otherwise it's going to just put my name on it as the artist and composer. Okay, now you do have some choices here. Export cycle area only or length of selected regions. What I'm assuming is that you have that cycle length off. So again, I'm going to cancel out for a second. So this little thing, remember what we were using to do our melody? I want to make sure that that's turned off. I'm going to save again if I didn't have it off while I was doing it, because I don't want, what'll happen is if I don't do that, my song's going to start here, it's going to play, and then when it hits this little loop, it's just going to keep looping it. It's never going to go on. Okay, so what I need to do is unclick that, because I just want to play it from start to finish. Now mine's not done here. This is where I left off last time. But what I would do is add another segment here, like this, okay, and turn this into my verse number 1, okay, and make my verse number 1 go there, and then I'm going to repeat my chorus. Now to repeat my chorus, I can do that by selecting this section and then just repeating it and moving it. Okay, back to sharing. So I have it saved. I'm going to share it to iTunes. I'm going to click Share. Going to export it. I want M4, that's what it's going to do. Okay, so now it's put it in here. You can hear it's playing it. It's got all my Garageband songs there. Here's a new song. Okay, now I'm ready to upload it to Canvas. So I'm going to go into my Canvas. I'm going to find my music composition project. Alright, so please note here that you are going to have a reflection form that you're going to turn in, and you need to do these different things in your reflection. Number 1, number 2, and number 3 for full points, and then you can see the rubric there. Alright, so I'm ready to upload. So now that I'm in there, I'm seeing the teacher view here, but what you're going to do is you're going to go in and click the upload a file for submission, because you'll have that, and then you'll be able to just click on your file from iTunes and upload right to it. It will also upload if you select it from GarageBand, but it's a little easier to do it if you do it right from here. So, alrighty then, enjoy, have fun making your composition.